Okay, now we know the players are very competitive with a hockey stick in their hands, but what about a spatula? Well, French-Canadian bragging rights are on the line as we head over to the Epicurean, where Louis and Yanni go head-to-head in our next edition of Home Cooking, presented by Tico's People's Gas.
What's up, everyone? It's Chef Jeff. Welcome to Tico People's Gas Home Cooking Challenge. I'm joined here with Yanni Gord, Louis Domingue. Gentlemen, breakfast is quintessential for the start of anyone's day.
The most important meal.
It's the most important meal, and that is why I'm giving you both 5 minutes to cook me the best over easy egg. Can you guys handle this?
We're allowed to do that.
Well, your time starts now. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
There we go.
Time is up. All right, gentlemen, you had 5 minutes to give me the best over easy egg. Louis, did you accomplish that, you think?
I think so. So what I did is I used the bacon instead of the butter to cook in the pan before I put my egg in.
Well, I'll tell you. It's creamy, it's golden. The whites have cooked definitely, and the key was making sure that it was runny enough. It's a really good over easy egg.
Thank you.
Yanni, what'd you do with your egg?
I cooked my egg with butter only, and I put a little bit of hot sauce on it, so there's a little kick to it.
I gotta give it to you.
Yeah.
The hot sauce does give it a little bit of that kick, and it's not ketchup on it, so you win.
All right, cook like a pro and save energy. Earn a rebate up to $200. Love natural gas. Peoplesgas.com/cooking for more info. And of course, hot sauce trumps ketchup every time.